Hi, it's Miss Casillas. We are going to be working on the vowel team EA today. So our goal is today we will practice reading words with vowel teams and notice the vowel sounds. Sometimes when I see a word with an EA in the middle, I'm not sure how to read it. The EA is called the vowel team because when the E and A are next to each other in a word, they are working together to make one sound. They're a team. Sometimes we say when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So in this case, with an E and an A, the E is first, so the E sound is what we are going to hear. So let's try reading the word. I will read this for you first. This is the word Dean. The EA says E. So what does the vowel team usually do to the word? The vowel team EA says the long E sound. The E and A works as a team. The E does the talking, and the A does the walking. We do not hear the A. If I have this word, I read the word deal. Instead of the short vowel sound the E makes the long vowel sound E because the E and A are working together as a team. The EA team works together to make the E sound. Get ready to read this list of words with me. Ready, begin. Meal, steal, and steam. What vowel team did you see in the middle of the words? Good. These words have an EA vowel team in the middle. And what sound does the EA vowel team make? E. So all of these words are going to have the EA vowel team and they're all going to make the E sound. You will read the word for me and then you'll listen to and wait for me to say the word after you. That way you can check your work. Go ahead and read the first word. That's the word Dean. Let's continue just like this. Deal. Meal, steal, steam, seam, ream, cream, creek, week, and leak. Nice job. Now we're going to be reading some sentences and looking for the EA vowel team words in these sentences. We're going to read together, starting with number 1. Get ready and read with me. Please eat your meat and your peas. Number 2. Will you read this book to me? 3. I hear with my ears. 4. We will leave the house at 10. 5. My dog has fleas. 6. Sam and I will help Dad rake the leaves. 7. I will speak to Mrs. King today. 8. Mom fixed a very good meal for us. 9. Our puppy can walk on a leash. 10. Don't be mean to him. And 11. The elf had a long white beard and a red cap. So now you're going to look and see which words had the EA vowel team. I found the word please. The A makes the E sound, please. Another word in the sentence with the EA vowel team is eat. The EA says E. You can write down these words and read them to someone, and then you're going to do your seesaw activity. Keep up the good work.